Hello my dear children, welcome back to mathematics class. In our previous video, you have learnt about before, after and between numbers. In today's class, we are going to discuss about comparing numbers. We are going to compare the numbers using the symbol smaller than, greater than and equal to. Using those symbols, we are going to compare the numbers. Let us take first example. Here you can see we have number 9. On the other side we have number 5. Both are one digit number, and you know that 9 is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5. So while putting the symbol, which side should represent 9? Since 9 is a greater number, open side of the symbol should represent 9. So while putting the symbol, we have to put like this: open side towards the greater number, closed side towards the smaller number. So while reading, we read it as 9 is greater than 5. 9 is greater than 5. Let us take one more example. 784. Here 7 is a one digit number and 84 is a two digit number. You know that two digit number is greater than one digit number. We also can say that one digit number is smaller than two digit number. So here 7 is one digit number and 84 is a two digit number. Therefore 84 is greater number. 84 is greater than 7. Therefore open side of the symbol shows the greater number and closed side of the symbol shows the smaller number. We read it as 7 is smaller than 84. 7 is smaller than 84. Let us move on to the next example. 104/63. Here 104 is a three digit number and 63 is a two digit number. Three digit number is greater than two digit number. The same way two digit number is smaller than three digit number. Therefore here 104 is greater than 63. 104 is greater than 63. So open side of the symbol represent greater number and closed side towards the smaller number. And we read it as 104 is greater than 63. Let us take one more example. 527/643. Here both are three digit numbers. Both are three digit numbers. So what we have to do? We have to see their places. You know that in a three digit number we have three different places. Those are hundreds, tens, ones. So while comparing, first we have to see the hundreds place. Here we have 5 in hundreds place and here we have 6 in hundreds place. So when we compare 5 and 6, which is greater? 5 or 6? 6 is greater than 5. Therefore 643 is greater than 527. 643 is greater. This side of the symbol represent greater number. So we read it as 527 is smaller than 643. Let us move on to the next example. 865, 856. These both numbers are 3-digit numbers. So, if you start comparing the hundreds place, here in both the numbers hundreds place is same. Here we have 8, here also we have 8. So, what we have to do? We have to see the next place, that is tens place. In tens place we have 6 here and 5 here. When we compare 6 and 5, which is greater? 6 is greater than 5. Therefore, 865 is greater than 856. So, while putting the symbol, open side should show the greater number. 865 is greater than 856. 932, 938. Here in both the numbers hundreds place is same. Here also 9, here also we have 9. If we compare tens place, here we have 3, here also we have 3. So, hundreds place also is same, tens place also is same. When both the places are same, then we have to go for the ones place. Here in ones place we have 2 and here we have 8. If we compare 2 and 8, 8 is greater than 2. Therefore, 938 is greater than 932. So, we have to put the symbol like this, close side towards the smaller number, open side towards the greater number. Let us move on to the next example. 316, 316. Hundreds place is same, tens place also is same. Here we have 1, here also we have 1. In ones place we have 6, here also we have 6. Therefore, these two numbers are equal. These two numbers are equal. So, we have to put the symbol equal to. 316 is equal to 316. Let us take last one more example. 500, 510. In these two numbers, in hundreds place we have 5. In tens place here we have 0, here we have 1. Therefore, 510 is greater than 500. So, we have to put the symbol like this, open side towards the greater number, close side towards the smaller number. I hope with these examples you are able to compare the numbers. Knowing the concept of comparing numbers, let us now find the greatest number from the given numbers. What you have to do is, you have to encircle the greatest number, which means you have to circle the greatest number from the given numbers. Here we have the numbers 327, 409, 613, 225. All these numbers are 3-digit numbers. Therefore, you have to see the hundreds place first. Here we have 3, here we have 4, here we have 6 and here we have 2. Comparing these numbers 3, 4, 6, 2, which is the greater number? 6 is the greater number. Therefore, 613 is the greatest number. 613 is the greatest number comparing to these numbers. Let us move on to the next example. Here we have the numbers 634, 621, 640, 698. All these numbers are 3-digit numbers. If we see the hundreds place, here we have 6, here also we have 6, here we have 6 and here also we have 6. In these 4 numbers, first digit is 6. So we have to see the tens place. Here in tens place we have 3, here we have 2, here we have 4 and here we have 9. If you compare 3, 2, 4, 9, which is the greatest number? 9 is the greatest number. Therefore, 698 is the greatest number comparing to these numbers. Let us take one more example. 999, 996, 991, 990. All these numbers are 3-digit numbers. In this number, if we see the hundreds place, here in this number we have 9, here also we have 9, in this number also we have 9, here also we have 9. Therefore, the hundreds place is same. So, we have to go to the tens place. In tens place we have 9 here, in this number also we have 9, here also we can find we have 9 only. In this number also we have 9. So, all the digits in tens place are same. So, we have to see the ones place. In ones place, here we have 9, here we have 6, here we have 1 and here we have 0. So, if you compare the numbers 9, 6, 1, 0, which is the greatest number? Is it 9, 6, 1 or 0? Yes, 9 is the greatest number. Therefore, 999 is the greatest number when we compare to these numbers. Let us take last one more example. 472, 135, 483, 209. These are 3-digit numbers. So, first we have to see the hundreds place. Here in hundreds place we have 4, here we have 1, here we have 4 and here we have 2. So, you might have observed here, these two numbers have 4 in the hundreds place. Comparing to these two numbers, these numbers are the greatest. Now, what we have to do? We have to find out the greatest number in these two numbers. So, we have to move on to the next place, that is tens place. Here we have 7 and here we have 8. If we compare 7 and 8, 7 and 8, 8 is the greatest number. Therefore, 483 is the greatest number when we compare to these numbers. Let us now discuss about finding the smallest number from the given numbers. So, you have to find the smallest number from the given numbers. After finding the smallest number, you have to encircle the smallest number, which means you have to circle the smallest number. Here we have the numbers 437, 215, 329, 627. All these numbers are 3-digit numbers. So, you have to see the hundreds place first. Here we have 4 in hundreds place, here we have 2 in hundreds place, here we have 3 and here we have 6. So, comparing these numbers 4, 2, 3, 6, which is the smallest number? 2 is the smallest number. Therefore, 215 is the smallest number compared to these numbers. Let us take one more example. 863, 808, 818, 881. All these are 3-digit numbers. Here in hundreds place we have 8. Here also we have 8. Here also we have 8 and here also we have 8. So we have to see the tens place. Here in tens place we have 6. Here we have 0. Here we have 1. Here we have 8. So comparing 6, 0, 1, 8. Which is the smallest number? 0 is the smallest number. So 808 is the smallest number when we compare to these numbers. Let us move on to the next example. 237, 235, 230, 233. All these numbers are 3-digit numbers. So when we start comparing from hundreds place, here we have 2, here also we have 2, here we have 2 and here also we have 2. So the hundreds place all the digits are same. So we have to see the tens place. Here in tens place we have 3, here also we have 3, here also we have 3 and here also we have 3. Therefore, all the digits in tens place are also same. Therefore, we have to see the ones place. Here we have 7, here we have 5, here we have 0 and here we have 3. When you compare 7, 5, 0, 3, which is the smallest number? 0 is the smallest number. Therefore, 230 is the smallest number when we compare to these numbers. Let us take last one more example. 335, 199, 353, 200. So when we start comparing from hundreds place, here in hundreds place we have 3, here we have 1, here we have 3 and here we have 2. So 3, 1, 3, 2. Which is the smallest number here? Very good. 1 is the smallest number. Therefore, 199 is the smallest number when we compare to these numbers. Today we have learned comparing the numbers, greatest number and smallest number. I hope today's concept is very clear to you. Dear students, I have attached the homework problems in the PDF document. Write the problems in your maths notebook and answer them in your maths notebook only. That's all for the day. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.